Insanity, day 38. So diamond jumps is not a issue, cause my fitness turn up. Fitness turn up, me say my fitness turn up. The party all week one we miss you, but my fitness turn up. Fitness turn up, me say my fitness turn up. Hey, no girl can whine like me. Me tie them strong tune, me shanty. Not think me no fit just because me chubby. A whole heap of strength in a this your body. Hey, so needless to say, I just did my workout. It's what time now? At 12:48. And I did the workout at midnight. I don't know which day workout I'm going to count it towards, but I just do my workout and I feel good. I have to talk low because my mother is presently sleeping. By the way, diamond jumps. You know the diamond jump where like your legs supposed to form them and your hands supposed to form them. And suppose you see me start the diamond jump them. I mean, granted, my diamond came 3 inches off of the floor, but the fact of the matter was I was capable of using the strength in my core and in my legs to lift myself up off of the ground into a diamond form. That is an accomplishment for me. So I feel well good right now, which means that despite the fact that I've been doing it so sporadically and so poorly, the thing is actually working. I can't believe I'm about to say this. Big ups to Shanti. Yeah, you know what you do. Even with the lofters, them like me, you know where you are do. I reached a point today because like I've been working out consistently, which you know. And then I just start eat all the foolishness, like I just go and make a mat and just buy like some red velvet cupcake whatever tastes good and like donut and just like start drink up all the soda because I get the banana soda and the pear soda, olive soda them from home that I like so much. And I just start eat all type of foolishness. And like today my body just looked at me and said, you know, stop. Like I was just lying down in the bed, preparing to waste another day and not exercise. And like my own body just started constricting on itself, and something in me just got disgusted with my lack of motivation, and it just kicked me straight out of the bed. Well, not straight out of the bed. I did watch half an hour more TV before I went, but I went and did my workout, and I feel much better for it, because it's like you do all of this work and your body get to a point where your things start feel torn, and it's like I put on jeans and my leg muscle pop, and I'm not losing as much weight as I could because I haven't been combining it with the healthy eating. But in terms of fitness, like my fitness turn up and I'm just sitting here wasting it, and I think my body just turned against me and rebelled, and I'm happy for it. We're here and I'm fitter than I was before, and I can run and jump and frolic. And the other day, for no reason, I just started dancing with my mother, who I don't dance with because she's 5 times as fit as me and a much better dancer. She's still a much better dancer, but married up in our fitness level. So anyways, it's working. So anybody, whichever program you're doing, work it because it will pay off in the long run. If you want to join me on my fitness journey, which I promise you will get better, you can join my group on Facebook, More Fitness. I don't think I haven't quite gotten it to just facebook.com/morefitness, but if you look for More Fitness on Facebook, I'll also post the link down here. Join my group and we can support each other. Some really amazing people are in there who have really good information, and so yes, join us. Otherwise, keep doing what you're doing. Work your program. Whatever program. It's not just for people who are doing insanity. If you get up and walk around your house 5 times a day fast, join the group. It's just for people who are serious about having the best bodies that they can and having the best lives that their bodies can afford them. It's not a bunch of people who are hating on themselves because they are fat, because I don't really live like that. I think my body's fabulous. I just think it could be fitter. So if you hate on your body, then you know, your thing too. You can come too. Yeah, join me. Just don't hate on us. No hate. Yeah, love, peace, love, all of them something there. Big up to everybody who are working any type of fitness program. Yeah, like you can't whine like me. Right, big up. Yeah, big up Tifa and all of the artists them. Yeah. I don't know why I do this. Just, it's late. Bye.